Today we are looking at a 2014 OKK HM 6300S CNC horizontal machining center. It is in very good condition. We have it at our facility, under power, ready to go. Just kind of doing a quick walk around of the machine. It does have the big plus 15,000 RPM spindle, Cat 50 taper, the 60 tool changer, which we do not have the guarding on at this time, just because it's sitting in our shop. There's the guarding. Here is the mist collector, one of the leveling shoes that we didn't use, are in the middle. The chiller, of course, the chip conveyor, coolant tank, pumps. We have the two doors off the back of the machine. As you can see, it's extremely clean. Very nice machine with very low hours. It's approximately 4,000 cutting hours on the machine. High pressure coolant pump. All the information here, right down to serial number and the electrical. Baker oil tools. Was the prior owner, they ordered the machine new. Paid $534,000. It also includes the Renishaw probe, Fanuc 31i control, and we'll go ahead and run a program for you. See the tool changer rotating. We have the door open to the work envelope just for this video. There is the eye for the probe. We do have all the books and manuals as well. Rotating the tool carousel again, and just showing you the operations of the machine. We're at 7,000 RPM. We have been running the machine for a period of time, so the spindle has gone through a program to warm up. We have shower coolant, high pressure through the tool, flushing. Tool management data.